Hello everyone. Today we are going to study plane, equation of plane, passing through, equation of plane, passing through, intersection, two given planes. So here what is given to us is equation of two planes, and we need to find the equation of a plane which passes through the intersection of the two given planes. So suppose we have the planes like this. Suppose this is plane 1 and suppose this is plane 2. At this point we must know that two lines meet at a point and two planes meet in a line. So the point of intersection of two planes is going to be a line. As you can see over here, this particular line is the line of intersection of these two planes. This was plane 1 and this is plane 2. Now suppose I want to find the equation of a plane passing through the intersection of these two planes. So the plane will definitely pass through this line of intersection. So suppose this is the required plane. So this is plane 3. And here we want to find the equation of this plane 3. So suppose the equation of plane 1 is given to us as the equation of plane 1 is r vector dot n1 vector is equals to d1. This is the vector form of the equation of plane 1. Similarly, suppose the equation of plane 2 is given to us as r vector dot n2 vector equals to d2. And now we need to find the equation of plane 3. So the equation of plane 3 is given by r vector dot n1 vector minus d1, that is the equation of the plane 1 taking everything on LHS, plus lambda times r vector dot n2 vector minus d2. This is the equation of plane 2 while taking everything on the LHS side, equals to 0, where lambda is some real number. So this is the equation of the required plane 3 in vector form. After simplification, it will become r vector dot within brackets n1 vector plus lambda times n2 vector equals to d1 plus lambda times d2. So this is the required equation of plane which passes through the intersection of two given planes, and this equation is written in vector form. Now let's convert this equation in Cartesian form. For that purpose, to convert this equation in vector form, let's say r vector is equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and n1 vector is equals to a1i cap plus b1j cap plus c1k cap, and n2 vector is equals to a2i cap plus b2j cap plus c2k cap. While putting the values of r vector, n1 vector and n2 vector in the above equation, we will get the equation of the particular plane which we need as a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1. This is the equation of plane 1 in Cartesian form, plus lambda times a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 equals to 0. This is the equation of plane 2 in Cartesian form. And this particular equation, you can see over here, is the Cartesian form of the equation of plane passing through two given planes. So, let's do the question. Let's take an example. Suppose the question is, find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of planes r vector dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap equals to 1, and the second plane given to us is r vector dot 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap plus 4 equals to 0 and parallel to x-axis. So we need to find the equation of a plane which passes through the line of intersection of the planes this and this, and the given plane which we need to find the equation of is parallel to x-axis. So for attempting this question, first of all, we need to find the equation of the plane in terms of some constant lambda. For that purpose, let's write down the equation using the formula. The equation would be r vector dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This is n1 vector plus lambda times n2 vector, which is 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap equals to d1 plus lambda times d2. This is the equation. After simplification, it will become r vector dot, we take I cap common from here and here, so we will get 1 plus 2 lambda I cap plus within brackets 1 plus 3 lambda j cap plus within brackets 1 minus lambda k cap equals to 1 minus 4 lambda. Now if we get the value of lambda, we are done with the equation. Now to find the value of lambda, we are given one more condition in the question. And what is that condition? The condition is that the plane is parallel, this plane, this equation number 1, plane is parallel to x-axis. Now suppose this plane is parallel to x-axis, in that scenario, the scalar product of plane given by equation number 1 with a vector parallel to x-axis is I cap unit vector. So if we take what? If we take the scalar product of this plane 1 with I cap, it is going to be 0. It will be 0. Why? Because the normal vector for this plane is going to be this. This normal vector by the scalar product of plane implies the scalar product of the normal vector and I cap. Because these two vectors are perpendicular to each other, therefore the angle between them is 90 degree, and hence the scalar product will be equals to 0. So let's take the scalar product of this normal vector and I cap. So it is going to be 1 plus 2 lambda only. 1 plus 2 lambda must be equals to 0. And for that purpose, lambda should equals to minus 1 by 2. So here we get the value of lambda as minus 1 by 2. So what is going to be the equation? The equation is going to be, put the value of lambda in equation number 1. You will get r vector into 0 I cap plus, if you will put minus 1 by 2 over here, you will get 1 minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1 by 2 j cap. Similarly, when you will put the value of lambda over here, you will get 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. So it is going to be 3 by 2 k cap equals to 1 minus 4 times minus 1 by 2. That is 3. To simplify it, assume that r vector is equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. When you will put this value over here, you will get minus 1 by 2 times y plus 3 by 2 times z equals to 3. On further simplification, it will become minus y plus 3z equals to 6. Or you can say y minus 3z plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the required answer.